YouTubers, listen up. If you want to make money from your channel, you need to know about YouTube's monetization policies. So, in today's video, we're going to unveil the ultimate guide to YouTube channel monetization policies. Stick around, because this information could change the game for you. First things first, for your channel to be eligible for monetization, you need to meet certain requirements. You must have at least 1,000 subscribers and have garnered 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. It may seem like a big goal, but don't worry, we'll share some tips to help you get there. Once you reach those milestones, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. But, be patient. The review process can take time, so make sure your content complies with YouTube's community guidelines. Anything that violates these guidelines can harm your chances of being approved. One of the key things YouTube looks for is originality. Creating unique content that's not already available on the platform will set you apart from the crowd. So get creative, find your niche, and let your personality shine through your videos. But monetization isn't just about the numbers. It's about building a loyal community. Engage with your viewers, reply to their comments, and create a sense of belonging. The more engaged your audience is, the better your chances of success. Now, let's talk about ad revenue. Once you're approved for monetization, ads will appear on your videos. But remember, not all ads generate the same revenue. Factors like viewer location, topic, and watch time affect your earnings. Experiment with different types of content and analyze your data to see what works best for you. And finally, YouTube isn't just about ad revenue anymore. There are other monetization options to explore. You can sell merchandise, offer fan funding, or even join the YouTube Premium Revenue Share program. These additional revenue streams can help you diversify your income and further grow your channel. So, YouTubers, now you know the essential ins and outs of YouTube channel monetization policies. It's time to apply this knowledge and take your channel to the next level. Thanks for watching this video, and if you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. See you in the next video.